Hi, I'm Trey Taylor, and welcome back to the Bryan Fagan YouTube channel. Military life brings unique challenges, frequent relocations, deployments, and the added stress of balancing service and family. So when a service member or military spouse files for divorce in Texas, the process can look different than a civilian divorce. Today, we'll walk you through what makes a military divorce in Texas unique, and what you need to know, and what you should do to protect your rights and your family's future. Imagine you're stationed overseas or deployed on duty, and you receive divorce papers back home. Or you're a non-military spouse living in Texas while your partner's service keeps them moving across states and time zones. Confusing? That's exactly why knowing the rules ahead of time matters. Military divorce in Texas isn't just the same as civilian, with a few tweaks. It's a different path with both state and federal laws in play. In Texas, one spouse must have lived in the state for at least 6 months, and the filing spouse must have been in the county for 90 days before filing. But military service complicates things, and Texas law and federal protections allow service members to claim Texas as their domicile for divorce purposes, even if they're deployed elsewhere. Under the Service Members Civil Relief Act, or SCRA, active duty members have additional protections, such as being able to request a stay of divorce proceedings if they're unable to appear due to military duty. One of the biggest issues in a military divorce is dividing military retirement pay and benefits. Under the Uniformed Services Former Spouses Protection Act, military pension pay earned during the marriage can be treated as community property in Texas. But you must meet the criteria, such as the 10 out of 10 rule. Marriage overlapped 10 years of active duty for direct former spouse payments. Military deployment and PCS, or permanent change of station, orders can complicate parenting plans. Texas courts still use the best interest of the child standard, but plans for military families often include flexible visitation, virtual communication, and temporary custody orders during deployment. Because of all these moving parts, service member protections, benefit division, jurisdiction questions, having an attorney experienced in military divorce makes a big difference. You're not only dealing with Texas Family Code, you're dealing with federal statutes that may impact your rights. If you or your spouse are in the military and facing a divorce in Texas, don't go it alone. Visit bryanfagan.com to schedule a free consultation today. We understand military families. Your service, your sacrifices, and your future matters.
Thanks for tuning in to the end. We understand that divorce can be expensive depending on the situation. That's why we're offering our Do-It-Yourself Texas Divorce e-course. You can get access to this e-course by clicking on the link in the description below. Catch you in the next video.